What's up guys, in this video I want to do a weekly market breakdown analysis. It's still Friday. I just finished with the first video of the week and this is the second video. And in this video I want to go through my trading view, share with you my own expectation, my own view, how I was viewing the market during this week, how market past action played through this week, and what is my expectation of the next coming week, doing a top-down analysis about the past action next week on each instrument, gold, GBP, USD. And I finally decided that I will not take none of my instrument out of my checklist. No, I will still trading USD, GBP, gold, because I really believe and I really understand that the problem is not triple is not much, and as I've been struggling with discipline, triple for me is not much. The problem is that I just need to be more patient and know when to take action, when know when to take a step back and accept it, and know that I don't need to trade every day. I can stay maybe like 2-3 days without taking any setup. Even if I have 3 instruments, I can stay there for 2-3 days without taking any trade. And by the end of the month, I just need to start to shift that mindset. I don't care about my P&L of the week. I don't care my P&L of the day. I just care about my P&L of the month, my P&L of the week, because I just need to think how an employee pay, how he need to get his salary, just like that. Just thinking month, thinking quarter, thinking years. This is how I need to think. I need to start to shift my mindset to start to think like that, to be able to help me and understand that it's a game of probability. But the thing that make sure that at the end of the month, my system can have a positive expectancy about the market. The past action of this week was not really nice, but as you can see, this is a past action on gold, and market, to be honest, market was not really nice this week, and I just didn't like the past action because one past tap into this demand. This demand has an inducement, past tap into this demand. I was expecting a strong reaction to the downside, but past will just keep doing bearish inside this demand. First mitigation, past push lower again. From this low, I was expecting at least a push to the upside. Past did not do it, and past did not break below. Just ranging. News is just releasing anyhow. And if you check how past action really played this week, you can see how Monday, it was on Tuesday. See, let's go to the issue, because I like to do on the issue, because all these things I don't really know. It's always market open on Sunday. It was on Sunday here. Market open here. Boom, gaps. You can see all this liquidity was crap. Liquidity was a crap here. Massive liquidity gap here. Liquidity gap here. What happened? Pass push. Boom, pull back. I was expecting pass to tap into the supply. Then now you can expecting a drop, but it didn't do that. That's why I say you don't need to wait. You don't need to predict the market. Just react as market doing. Where the market, you are seeing the market, just trying to do analysis, and if it met with your plan to trade on that area, just trade it, and just trade it. If it's met your confidence, just trade. Don't try to predict the market. But when sometimes price coming to this kind of strong key zone, is giving just more high probability, more confirmation, more confidence for the price potential moving in our direction. And this is the only thing you can see. Price trying to just ship bearish, boom, drop massively, tap into this weak demand, price pull back. Now you have this supply. This is why I did a very big mistake on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I got a selling tree here. We have this bearish change of character here, and pass eventually the next day on Wednesday, market came back here. You can see I was supposed to look for sell, but I was trying to force buying here. How? The order flows are telling me that markets are about to drop, but I keep looking to buy. Trading against the high time frame, but my high time frame was saying market keep remaining bearish. It's almost same. Even on the M15 was almost same, pass was almost same. Just keep selling. Yesterday, same thing. I got stopped out here, pass push a little bit massive to the downside. Today, same thing. I got stopped out, market push. Market just push massively, bro. Stop me out. I got entry again, stop me out. High impact news. This was a unpredictable news. There was a release and yesterday, stop me out. But now at this point, I'm expecting that order flows now shift bullish. Pass me now keep pushing to the outside, and we have this liquidity pure here. Pass me now push to the outside. Well, the reason why I'm saying that, because pass failed to close one here, second here, and we shift bullish, and you have a lot of liquidity sitting here. You have this liquidity, and you have also this one here sitting here. Pass me now shift bullish, and this is the only thing. Pass shift bullish like this. I'm expecting now a buy opportunity from here. And I know that as past already swept, past we grab some liquidity, could keep pushing to the downside. It can happen. But based on what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing more buy to this supply. Here. More buy after I'm seeing more buy now. Because we have double sweep here. Change your character, I'm seeing more buy to this supply. Even on the H1 I'm seeing more buy. This is what I'm seeing here. It could happen at the same time, it could not happen. And we have this also, this PY, H1 PY. Lot of things can happen, lot of things can, something like that. Let's my prediction about next week, to be honest, I don't really know where market could go, because with this kind of price action, how the market is doing with this high impact news. But the overall, I'm seeing buying. The objective is still looking to buy to this supply. This is the thing. Overall on weekly time frame, we're still looking to buy. Yes, we are still looking to buy. Looking to buy. I don't really know exactly, because I cannot predict what could happen on gold. But based on what here, you have this sweep, first, second sweep here, change your character. Really have a strong confirmation that if past eventually shift again bearish, there's a clear confirmation that we take out this low. If past do not push massively to the upside, there's a clear confirmation we take out this low, and we keep continue selling for a long while now. Then this is what I don't know really. Prediction from here to here, I don't really know. There's not really a prediction, because we are still inside this demand. I don't really know. But the thing is that if pass on the H4 or on the H1 like this, pass shift bearish again and close candle, there's a clear confirmation we keep selling. This is everything for gold today. For this is everything for gold, and you can see this is my own prediction. Market's not really nice, but overall I'm waiting for pass to maybe come back here. Maybe we can look sell. It can happen. And at the same time, you can just swap some liquidity here, buy some liquidity here, and it can drop. You don't really know. You don't need to know what's going to happen. You just follow the path and just trying to make money. Yes, guys, we are around GBPSD, and to be honest, the price action on GBPSD was really shit this week. Really shit. Really shit. Nothing was good. Because inside this demand, after past I was expecting a push to the upside, or a decent break to continue to the downside at the extreme of this daily demand, but nothing. And let's break it down how past action move from Monday, and you can see market open. When the market swept here and break below this candle, I was really confident that this massive seller opportunity about to kick in. When I wake up, I waited till on Monday, past open, how market open, what happened? Boom, you can see we closed below here. I was really confident now, looking to buy from here to mitigate the supply, and then you can see a massive drop again. And what happened? Past pullback, pushed up, failed to mitigate the PY. Do the same thing like gold, failed to mitigate the PY. Same thing, even on euros they did the same thing. I don't know why. All this is this fucking in news, high impact news. This fucking high impact news, guys. This fucking high impact news, and you can see how market did. Just keep pushing to the downside, and see market will just keep pushing to the downside, and the outflow was just marking out. No opportunity was present on GBPSD during this week. Nothing. Market was just ranging. The opportunity was I could potentially get it was on Monday, but market did not really get me an entry model. But market position was really nice here, but I did not get any entry model. And you can see just a range position. This is a kind of position better you stay away. Don't force anything, don't do anything, just stay away. Don't force anything. You can see even the most recent supply was expecting to sell. When past tap into the supply, they will pass push to the supply, to this supply daily H4 and N15 today. Mark my inducement here. I was expecting pass to pull back here and drop to N5, waiting for a change of character, bullish change of character, give me a confirmation that pass will potentially push up, and I'll be looking to buy, but nothing. You see, this is move. This is a news, high impact news that drove the market like this, and this is a fucking shit. Market doing shit, man. It's not really nice. Let's watch and see what could happen. And this is how the past action really. On today, market was not really nice, and I'm expecting now past to push up, to push here. Eventually, you have this inducement in front of this supply. Maybe from this supply now, I'm expecting a mitigation, a drop, a little bit drop. Maybe it could just a little bit pull back before the continuation, or it could the massive drop could happen from here to until the past could potentially break in this low. I don't know. This is what I'm expecting. But from here, I'm expecting a decent pullback. This is the only thing I know. Past mitigate here, I'm expecting a decent pullback. Only that. And this is liquidity. This is what I'm expecting. And by next week, on GBPSD, by next week with what I'm seeing here, sweep here, based on weekly time frame, next week here, I don't really know. by next week I'm expecting more a continuation, a deeply continuation into the supply, because yeah, this is what I'm expecting, a deeply continuation into the supply. So I'm expecting more push to the upside, because see the way this candle closed, no wick, no rejection from seller here. This is a very strong candle. They're telling me that market will have a strong momentum by next week, and market will open with a strong momentum. Pass will take out this high. Pass could happen, but before pass could happen, I'm expecting first pass will mitigate the supply and they create a decent pullback. Maybe now a continuation to the upside, a decent pullback continuation. This is what I'm expecting. Based on daily time, I'm expecting a continuation to the upside. But based on the H4, I'm expecting a pullback after the H4 supply, open supply has been mitigated, and I will be expecting that. Yeah, this is everything for GBPSD. Let's go on EURUSD now. Market was really nice, and yeah, it's daily time from EURUSD. Market was really nice. You have this weekly supply inside swept, Barca liquidity swept inside this monthly supply. You have a massive sweep, change of character, really massive. This was a confirmation that seller is expecting a massive drop, but sometimes what you are expecting is not even what the market doing. But sometimes what you are not even expecting is what the market will not do what you are expecting. It's better for what do stay neutral. I just need to have that mindset. Anything the market is doing, if I have a clear understanding of what I'm doing and find my setup there, just take it. Either it's buy or sell based on the high time frame. Just do it. Don't try to predict market will do good day. Market is 100% market. No, I will not do this kind of thing, because what happened here? I was truly expecting pass to sell. It's not even what the market did. Let's see what is happening. What happened? Market mitigated a daily demand. What happened? Pull back into the supply before you can expecting a massive strong push. What happened? Pass never mitigated supplies, came back, failed to close below many times. Pass close. What happened? Came back into the supply, massive push again to the outside. You see all this thing. Nothing was clean today, this week. Nothing. I don't know. Maybe it's because of all this news. Market position is not nice. If you are trading just one pair during this period, you are a strong person, because you are a very strong person. Because when I check my analysis, not seeing the only time the position was clean was the first during London. Only during London. Only Monday. Monday position was really nice, but no entry. But until now, see how pass did. On the GBPSD, the supply already failed, and I'm expecting this one to mitigate. And yeah, let's watch, see what could happen. As we are on GBP, on your USD, pass could potentially have some decent pullback here before the continuation. I'm really expecting some decent pullback before a continuation like this. This is what I'm expecting, because when we look at the daily, we are on the extreme of the opposing sell to buy demand. Yes, sell to buy demand. We can expecting a decent push to the upside again before, maybe from here around here you can expecting a drop. Currently nothing. Pass is not doing any sign, but I'm expecting a push to the upside. This is only what I'm expecting. And on DSY, market is, I can maybe have a prediction. We do have some analysis on what market DSY is doing. On the weekly time frame, DSY is really not really nice. I would say it's not really nice, because on the day pass came back into the supply, pass, there's no confirmation, nothing really nice here. Pass could easily push to the downside, pass could easily continue to the downside. Like price is in the middle of the range. There's no we don't really know what pass could do. We do next week. Pass is in the middle of the range here at this point. Pass is in the middle of the range. Even on this one, it's in the middle of the range. Because you don't really know. And the H4, same thing. The H4 is really, on the daily, is in the middle of the range. Pass mitigated supply. We have a break to the downside. We also have this daily, we have this H4 demand. Pass could push here. From here now, from here you can expect some reaction. I don't know, maybe from the upside, because sellers have been losing momentum here. Maybe we mitigate here, then we can see a continuation to the upside, maybe a reverse, and USD will drop. Let's see what is going to happen. For now, I'm expecting a mitigation here and a drop, and mitigation here, a push to the upside. But overall, I'm expecting path to push up till here. That means if path push here to here, that means this one we drop massively. Then all this thing really doesn't make matter. Just wait based on what market open also, because during this weekend we could have a high impact news. Okay guys, if you like this video, make sure to comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to share to turn on the notification button to don't miss out my next video. See you and let's go.